Hi, this is Cindy Romero, and this is my innovation project presentation. We were given the scenario to find ways to improve sales on our concession stand at the movie theater by introducing new products, either introducing new markets, starting new process, or new models. Our team met on the weekend for approximately 2.5 hours. We did take some breaks. The participants were told about the scenario ahead of time, but we also refreshed it. But they were not told to bring anything to the meeting. So we wrote down our ideas or sticky notes, and then we read them out loud, chose our ones that we liked the best, and then added because there wasn't quite enough. We decided on the 3 best ideas, and then we created some of the sales pitch, a portion of the sales pitch, and a tagline for our ads. What I learned takes it takes time and energy to plan a meeting like this for a team because everybody has different schedules. I actually was pretty good at leading a team, and I didn't know that I was that way before. I also learned to have good organizational skills, so I was able to stay on task with our team and then make sure that all items were addressed properly for the actual assignment. And then, even though we didn't know a lot about the industry, I think that gave us also an insight on putting ourselves as the customer's shoes and giving ideas as well. These are a little bit of all of our ideas. So the discount, offering gourmet popcorn, offering gluten-free popcorn, creating and offering a rewards program. So those are something that we really liked. We would create a social media offer, so something like buy one get one 50% off today only, and they have to show the coupon on the phone. Another one was to provide a discount coupon that we can actually give out to local businesses, to give to employees or to customers actually that go into their place of business. We would also want to see if we could train our staff to try to upsell items, so kind of like they do in restaurants. Hey, would you like to add this to your meal, or whatever that kind of goes with. Creating special events. So I don't know if in other areas they have, but here I've seen them once in a while. They do like a dad and mom date, or dad and son, or dad and daughter, mom and son, mom and daughter dates, where they give them promotional prices on certain items. The other one is create and send direct mailers to people's homes with like a promotion. Another thought was selling some items like candy or popcorn within the actual theater, not at the concession stand. But you can always still offer the concession stand. That's just for people who don't want to wait in line or forgot something. The next one is having a running employee, so something like the Dutch Bros concept, which is with someone with a phone, tablet, or notebook, take an order, and then that helps with faster checkout. And then creating like a sort of happy hour, so a time or day that you can get promotional pricing. Our 3 best ideas were the discounted combo for drink and popcorn. Providing the discount was our second one, the discount coupon to hand out to local businesses. And then the last one is the selling. There would be a cool idea that we're not sure would be implemented, but could be, was selling the candy or popcorn within the actual theaters. What worked in our project, them not bringing anything actually didn't really block the creative juices flowing, so I think that was good. And I personally prepared some ideas to take to the group as examples. And then having some diversity in age and social media access and all that stuff also gave some different ideas. But overall, I think all the ideas I had for the actual meeting went as planned. Suggestion for a future project. What I felt I could have done better is I could have taken something other than my notebook, so either like a tape recorder or even my computer, and I could even started on this PowerPoint with them and gotten some feedback as well. And what I could also do is possibly look into adding another group member or two of an older age to get even more diversity and perspective. What I can personally work on is being creative at work. So I always have to run my items by management, and it makes it a little bit difficult, but I think I can try and speak up more now that I know how to do it. And then I have to work on not being afraid to do that, because it is difficult to be creative and then try to do what our management team wants, but afraid of failure. What I personally feel that makes me want to pursue a creativity is I want my ideas to stand out amongst others. So I don't want mine to blur in with all the others and be the same template and stuff like that. So I try to kind of stand out. After the specific group experience, I think I will actually take my leadership role and use it either at work or even in future courses if I decide to continue in school. Or even at home with a family, you can really see how you can lead a small team in making decisions. well, that is all. Thank you for watching.